Hi, now we will see the options under the File menu. Going to the File tab contains the basic required options such as New, Open, Save as, Print, Share, Export and Close options. As the name suggests, they do the respective operations. Other than these options, we can find Account and Excel options tab too. So we are going to understand about the certain critical options available under the File menu. So first one is the Info tab. So with this option, we can get the information about the Excel file, created date, last modified date, author name, properties, versions, etc. Also, it would list what are the sheets that are protected in the Excel file. Further, we will be able to protect the workbook using the options such as encrypt with password. So to protect opening the file with a password, you can also use the save as option. When the browser windows pops up near the save button, we will be able to see an option named tools. In tools, go to general options and then protect your workbook with password to open and password to modify. You can also leave it as blank. Just say that workbook is protected without password. The account section in the file tab contains the details of Microsoft account signed in the Office application. All the details regarding the account will be available there. We can also see the product details and its activation status. And the next one is the most important and critical part in the file tab, options. It was in the tool menu of the previous versions like MS Excel 2007. This option is used to add extra and advanced features like developer tab, etc. Also, we can change some certain default settings also. So in Excel options, we have 10 categories. So going one by one, general. The general tab contains the options related to changing the default settings like font size, font style and number of sheets for the new workbook. Through this video, we are going to cover only the critical items in these options and rest of them can be tried and executed and understood from your end. So the next one is Formulas tab. This contains the calculation options of the workbook. The default is automatic. This can also be seen in the Formulas tab. Also, this contains options such as choosing R1C1 reference style we were talking about. And we have option to enable the formula autocomplete. So with this only if you are entering equal to SUM, some option will be auto-filled if you enter tab. That's the option for formula autocomplete. And using the table names in formulas. So also we have the options to customize the error indication colors and error checking rules. That is, what are all the things to be treated as an error. There are 11 predefined errors which we can toggle and say whether it is an error or not. 10 out of this 11 will be treated as error by default. Formulas referring to empty cells are not considered as error because it is not actually an error per se. If required, we can also add the tick mark there and say it is an error. The next one is the proofing tab. So this is used for autocorrect options, including auto format option. Auto format stands for the automatically formatting some data to a certain type. For example, if we type an email ID, say abc@xyz.com, the Office application, either Word or Excel or the Outlook, will automatically change it as a hyperlink. So if you click the email ID with a hyperlink, it will automatically redirect you to the Outlook application having that email ID in the to address. So this is the auto format option. So save. In the save tab, it has the auto recover options. Auto recover options are critical here. Timing for auto saving the data, the auto save file location, etc. can be modified here. The fifth one is language. You can add further languages if you want, French, Latin, anything. And the next one is advanced. Critical options here are enabling the fill handle and cell drag and drop, enabling autocomplete for cell values, automatically flash fill, using decimals and thousand separators. Whether comma is a thousand separator or dot is a thousand separator, you can modify it, and showing the formula bar, show formula bar option. So these are all critical in this advanced section of options tab. Next one is the customize ribbon. This is used to show the developer tab and certain other tools which are not generally available in the tabs. And there is an option for quick access toolbar. You can also navigate this through the drop down near the quick access toolbar there. Add-ins. Certain add-ins are available inbuilt and some can be downloaded from internet as well. The inbuilt ones that may be useful are solver add-in, analysis toolpack add-in. And the last one is trust center, managing what files the Excel should trust. Generally, files downloaded from the internet will not be trusted and hence it will open as read-only file. We may need to click on the enable editing button if we need to make any changes in the file. What we saw are the critical parts that might affect our day-to-day usage of Excel. There are plenty of other options available to go through here. With this in mind, we will jump into the functions and tools from the next video. See you there.